Welcome to this tutorial on how to restore a previous version in Canva using the version history feature. In Canva, there is an auto-saving version history feature that allows you to access and restore previous versions of your designs. To access your version history, go to the File drop-down menu. If you have Canva Pro, you can access this feature. Click on Version History to open a lightbox window displaying different auto-saved versions on the left-hand side. You can click between these saved versions to preview them. Once you've selected a version you want to restore, click on Restore this version in the upper right corner. Alternatively, you can choose to make a copy instead of restoring. Making a copy allows you to branch off into a different project while keeping your current design intact. This way, you can explore different directions without losing any progress. That's how you can effectively manage your version history and restore previous versions using Canva Pro. Thank you for watching.